Now, the next thing is copyright. Now, copyright has to do with your intellectual work as to the expression of your ideas, the expression of your creative mind. Okay, maybe as a book, or maybe as a song, or maybe as a video, or maybe as a design, or maybe as wonderful. Something just came up. Or maybe as a design, or maybe as an artwork. Now, all of these forms your copyright. So when it comes to copyright, copyright will have to come will mean your expression of the expression of your creative work, the expression of your creative work. So that means this time around is not in trademark. Okay, it's about maybe a certain mark you want to register, as to slogan, as to name, as to logo, whatever it is. But when it comes to copyright, copyright has to do with you know, the expression of your creative work. That means there's a publication of that thing. Okay, there's a publication of that thing first. Now, one important detail you need to understand about copyright is that in copyright, okay, the moment you have you have published that work, okay, you have published that work, you have ownership. That makes you have exclusive ownership, or rather, let me use ownership, not exclusive. Ownership of that property, okay, that you have created. However, if you would want to enforce on it, then you have to register it. That means if you have to enforce so that nobody else uses it or replicates that work, then you would have to register it. So, but the first things first you need to know is that once you have published it, you have ownership to it. In other words, you have copyrighted, you see. But to make it enforceable, okay, you make it enforceable. That means maybe somebody has pirated your work. You know, for somebody to have pirated your work and you would want to maybe sue the person or obtain damages from the person, or no matter how you want to go about it, you know, for your right to be enforced, then you have to register that copyright. You have to copyright that creative work. Very, very important. Now, another detail I also want to bring to you is that you can register this with the Nigeria Copyright Commission, and at the same time, the registration is faster than even the trademark. Registration is via the NCC, and what it entails is, first of all, you have to fill up a form online. You have to upload the work that you have done, and then pay the prescribed fees, and as well, you receive a certificate of registration. Now, it's very fast. This one doesn't have so much. There's not so much you know, to go on this one, because once your work is there, it's already yours already. Once your work is out, rather, it's already yours already. So, but what you want to do is just to register it legally, so that nobody will try to pirate it, you know, and at the same time, you having the right to enforce on legal actions. Remember,